So I got a package in the mail from Hungary Wednesday, and the package included this Avis D6, this Kiso, which I am not exactly sure of the model, a Caba Quattro, and a multi-lock. So I'm going through and trying to open all of these. So far, the only one I've really gotten was the Avis, and that's because yesterday I got yesterday I got this Bylock in the mail, so I was messing with it a little bit. Not serious yet, but so I wanted to go through and make a video of the Avis, and then I'm going to work on the multi-lock, the Caba, and the Kiso, and then I'll go back to that Bylock probably. So let's see if I can get this a little better. All right. So this Avis isn't terribly hard to get into. It's just my picks are a little odd. They don't quite, the warding in there they get caught up on the warding. They're not quite shaped just right to get down there. But we're gonna go in. Alright, number one, I gotta click. Number two puts in a little false set, nothing on 3. 4. 5. Let's see, 1, 2. Alright. I might be on number 3. Okay, let me see where I'm at here. I might need to go back to the back. So alright. I don't know if that's set all the way. I'm working my way from the back to the front. I'm looking for counter rotation. Okay, let's see. This last pin, I just have a hard time getting my pick around the warding to get it to go all the way down. Come on. And I just dropped something. Alright, just kind of bear with me. I'm just I got it or if I slipped off of it. I slipped off of it. Alright. So now I'm just held up with something. Yep. I'm just gonna just drop. There we go, it's open. Okay, I had overset number 3 and I just had to let a little bit of pressure up. So, contrary to what the video looks like, it's actually not that bad to get open. It's just my picks aren't shaped right and the warding is pretty decent, so I was just having a really hard time getting that number 3 pin down far enough to open the lock.